Hey traders, how you doing? It's Trader Dara, and in this video we're going to go about how to perform P2P transactions on Bybit. P2P simply means peer-to-peer transactions. So this is for folks who are in countries either like Nigeria and certain other countries which have restricted direct banks transfer to your crypto exchange. So with P2P, you're very much free to make your transactions, but you need some level of safety and awareness of who you'll be transacting with, right? So in this video, I'll give you all the info on how to be safe and make sure your coins which you're trying to purchase gets to you, or when you're selling off your coins, you get your cash as well. So with no further ado, let's head into this video, boys and girls. Okay guys, the very first thing we need to do is to open our Bybit app, and once that is open, we are going to see our dashboard, and from the dashboard we can tap on more, and in more we're going to see the P2P trading just on the very first section, buy crypto. Once we tap on this, we can go on with performing our transaction. There's a quicker shortcut to getting this done, just in case you don't want to go through that. Tap on the search bar. From the search bar, tap on P2P and you're going to see P2P trading. Just tap on that and you'll be back in the P2P trading section, right? So now we want to find our verified buyers and sellers or vendors which we'll transact with, and this is a simple process. You need three things. You want to confirm that this seller or vendor is verified. You also want to confirm that he has a high completion rate, and a high completion rate is 95% above, right? And then the last one is his reviews. So if you check all three of these, you'll definitely be transacting with a verified vendor. Now let's go into that. Mostly you want to get a range of the coins you want to buy or sell. So I want to buy 100 USDT, right? I'm in the buy section. If I want to sell off 100 USDT, I will go to the sell section. Because I want to buy, I'll be on the buy section. Now I know the amount I want to use, right? So I'll just tap on this amount right here, and I'll tap on 100 because it's 100 USDT I want to buy. The current rate is ranging around 1,463. So what I would just simply do is to do 1,463 times 100, which will give me about 146,000. So I would just say roughly 147,000 worth of USDT I want to buy. That will give me 100 USDT. Very easy, right? And that should be equivalent to 100 USDT. And now I can see the vendors who are currently available for me to transact with. I can see Swift Exchange. The first thing I want to look at is his orders and number of completion, right? You can see that right here, 99%. So that's very close to 100. Then I also want to check out his limits, right? I don't want to transact with a person with a low limits and who cannot fulfill that order, right? And then 50,000 naira to 2.6 million. It means he can actually pay us of a sum of 147,000 naira. So that's just how you go about it. Then the next person is giving a rate of 1,465. His completion rate is 95%, and his limits is 20,000 naira to 527k. That means he can also pay us. Well, let's just go with Swift Exchange, right? You can see his verified badge up here, verified. I mostly prefer transacting with people who are verified, right? So the reason this guy is ineligible for us is because the amount we are about requesting for, he's very close to, he's very close to that margin, so he can't actually transact with us. So we just tap on buy, and now I will say please enter the amount. I'll say I want to buy 147,000, and okay, he has reached his transaction limits. Let's look for someone else, right? You see this guy, Winners, right? So Winners has 100% transaction rate, so I would use him. And before I go to use him, because I'm not seeing a verified badge, I would want to see his remark. So let's just go check his remarks from people who has used them. So he's email verified, SMS verified, identification verified. He has deposits and completed 142 orders, 100%. He has a good rating of 95. All completed orders is over 1,300. And okay, He has only 2 bad reviews. Let's see the bad reviews he has. Work on your attitude, slow and stupid. Okay, so the only bad reviews he has is that he was slow, and maybe he has a little bit bad character, maybe it was on a bad day. But he has 40 good reviews, but there was nothing about him denying cash or anything, so it means this is a vendor I am very much going to go with. So I want to buy 147,000 naira worth of USDT. Buy. And then the next step I want to do, guys, pay attention, pay very close attention to this step, right? You want to make sure you are using the very same bank accounts, right, that you use in the verification of your Bybit. You don't want to use a different bank account while making for the payment, right? So now here is his details. So I'll just tap on pay now, and then I'm giving his banking details, as you can see here, and I'll just make the payment shortly. So I'm currently on my second phone, as you can see, right? I'm using my second phone to make the payment. Sorry that you won't be able to see the details here. I can't share my bank details. And it says money points, so I'll just try that real quick and make the transfer. So make sure when you're doing the transfer, you get to see is the very same name, right, guys? It has to be the same name you're doing the transfer to. 86, okay. So that will be 147,000. So I can see the name is Odiratrical Ventures. Okay, I've confirmed it's Odiratrical Ventures, and I am doing the transfer right now. Also, another thing, don't put the narration, because most of you guys might be new to this. Don't go put narration like crypto transfer or forex transfer. Please don't do that. You might get your account banned or something, right? Don't do that. Just don't bother putting in narration. Okay, with that said, I think we're almost done. I'm doing the transfer right now, so as you can see, I'm doing it. It's sent, right? I've sent the 147,000 naira, and as you can see right now, I've paid. So the next thing I'll do is to download the receipts, just in case you know, there's a delay in sending me. So now, you know, guys, as you can see, okay, you can actually see this one. I'm screen recording from here. So I've stated that I have made the transfer, as you can see right here. So I will just confirm. And with that, guys, that is how you can buy. That is how you can actually buy USDT from Binance. Very easy, right? Yeah. So we found how. Let me just recall the process. We had to find a verified vendor, and then we confirmed he's verified from his SMS, email, and deposits, and everything were all verified. Lastly, we also had to check his reviews and his completion rate. Completion rate is very, very important. Never miss that out. Okay, I will just wait to see my coins being deposited. I'm actually on do not disturb, so let me just take that out so I can be informed once I get a deposit into my account. Okay, guys, as you can see right here, I have received my deposit. I've received the sum of 100 USDT. Very simple, right? Now with this, you can inform me, Tradedera, that that the deposit has come in and you're ready to start trading with my signals. Very, very easy, right? Everyone can do this. And with that said, we can go into the next section. So if you have any questions, do well to drop it in the comment sections or inform me if you have any blockers, and I would quickly resolve it. And if you want to sell off, it's still the very same process, right? We'll use a shortcut, right? Just tap on your P2P. That's when you start making your profit and you want to withdraw your profit. It's very simple. Go to sell, right, and then come to the amount you want to sell. Let's say you made a profit of $20 and you want to sell off your $20, right? So you just check the rates that is around here. You just see the rates 4 or 5 people are using. That will give you an average, and then just say $20 times 146. That is about I'll just say 25k, right? So just say 25,000 naira, and then you go through the same process once again, and then you just say you want to sell off 25,000 naira, and you sell it off. Very easy, guys. Okay, guys, let's go. Have a wonderful week. I'm Tradedera, and let's make some crypto bull run money.